Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to kind of make this video super quickly to talk a little bit about how we're going to use our fact triangles. So at my house, I don't have access to a printer, so I just took some papers. I drew a triangle. I kind of used one as a tracer, and then I took paper and I just traced the shape a couple times until I got my pile of fact triangle shapes cut out. So some of you might have used these before and some of you might not have. So we have these two numbers here on the bottom. We've got this one here and this one here. Then we have a number at the top. A hint, the number at the top is always going to be bigger than the two at the bottom. Okay, and in the middle of the triangle we have the plus sign, and then we have a comma to separate the plus sign from the minus sign. Okay, so right here, if we were to look at the two bottom numbers, we have 1 and 1. Okay, when we take a look at the two bottom numbers, we're going to be thinking about using addition. 1 plus 1 is going to give us the bigger number 2 here. Okay, so when I practice using this flashcard, if I want to know, if I want my student to practice adding two numbers together, I'll put my thumb over the top. 1 plus 1 is 2, okay? Now, if I want my students to focus on subtraction, what I can do is put my finger over one of the two bottom numbers, okay? So if I have my finger here, I have to think about what is 2 minus 1? What's the other number that's going to make that true? And the answer is 1. Okay, now for this one, the two numbers are the same on the bottom, but I could also hold, gotta switch hands. I could also hold the number on this side as well. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, we'll practice that with a different fact. Okay, how about this one here? Okay, so we've got a 4, a 6, and a 10. So again, the bigger number is up top. If I want to practice addition, 4 plus 6 is 10, okay? But if I want to practice subtraction, 10 minus 6 equals 4, okay? The nice thing about these triangles too is that sometimes kids can use these on their own to practice. So what they can do is just pick a triangle randomly and hold a corner randomly and practice, okay? Now this week, if you want to practice this week, my suggestion would be to start with just addition this week to see how quickly you can get that. If addition is too easy and you want a challenge, you can certainly start practicing subtraction. So I'll do a couple here. All right, and what you can do is, in case you haven't made them yet, you can use this video and pause the video to think of your answer and then see if you're correct. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. Two plus 8, 10. Let's get a good 7 plus 7, 14. 3 plus 3, 6. 0 plus 10, 10. All right, and you're going to notice a couple different themes with these fact triangles. You're going to notice that a lot of these are doubles facts, where the numbers on the bottom are the same. We've practiced doubles facts a lot at school. And we're also going to have a lot of tens partners as well. So for example, 2 plus 8 is going to be 10. 4 plus 6 is going to be 10. So those were kind of the themes of this week's fact triangles. Okay, if you have any questions about them, feel free to email Miss Kinney. Thank you.